Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Post the recent crash of Indian Air Force MiG-21, there was news all over the social media that Indian Air Force should start thinking about retiring these fighters. Even though MiG-21 fighters are the most produced supersonic jet aircraft in aviation history, I believe it's time for the Indian Air Force to retire them at the earliest. Similar to MiG-21, Indian Air Force do have another aircraft in their fleet which needs upgrades to extend its life and power in combat operations. The aircraft which I am talking about are the Jaguar Strike Fighters, which was originally used by the British Royal Air Force and French Air Force in close air support and nuclear strike role. These aircrafts are still in service in upgraded form with the Indian Air Force. These fighters are powered using two Rolls-Royce Turbomeca Adore Mk102 afterburning turbofan engines, with each having a thrust of 22.75 kN dry and 32.5 kN with afterburner. Even though these fighters have two engines, they are still considered as an underperforming aircrafts in the Indian Air Force fleet when compared to other fighters. And also due to its extensive service with the Indian Air Force, the engine's performance has still gone down and it really needs an upgrade or replacement. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the two options which came for Indian Air Force in order to replace the engines for these Jaguar fleet. Indian Air Force got two options in hand, and they are from the original engine manufacturer, which is Rolls-Royce and Honeywell. The two engine options which was given by Rolls-Royce and Honeywell are the Rolls-Royce Adore Mk821 and Honeywell F125IN turbofan engine. Let us see the details about each offer one by one. Starting with Honeywell, Honeywell proposed its proven F125IN turbofan engine as a replacement for the existing engines on Jaguar, and according to them, these engines offer a significant increase in engine and aircraft performance. Not only that, these engines will also reduce the maintenance costs as well. In addition to this, Honeywell also mentioned that these engines will enhance the mission capabilities above 30,000 feet. It also reduces the takeoff distance by over 30% and increases the climbing rate of these fighters. These engines increase time between overhauls to 2000 hours from the current level of 500 hours. Even though there are so many good things about these engines from Honeywell, this deal was not taken forward due to the high cost involved in it. As per the different sources, it looks like Honeywell quoted a price of 2.4 billion US dollar for 180 F125IN turbofan engines, but due to high cost, this deal was not considered. Coming to the option given by Rolls-Royce, Rolls-Royce has successfully installed and tested the Adore Mk821 engine in a Jaguar aircraft to prove its capability and suitability for Indian Air Force Jaguar upgrade requirement. As per Rolls-Royce, the Mk821 engine was installed smoothly for testing and required no airframe changes. During testing, the Adore Mk821 ran at full reheat and passed all performance targets set by the Indian Air Force. This had no adverse effect on the aircraft, highlighting the ease of integration process and the compatibility of the engine with the airframe. These engines are certified for the Jaguar fighters, and according to Rolls-Royce, these engines can be successfully installed without any aircraft modification. Looks like Indian Air Force plans to keep these Jaguar fighters in service till 2034 to 2040 tentatively. And the Indian Air Force is also planning to upgrade majority of Jaguars as part of the upgrade program called Darin 3. Darin 3 upgrade would feature the modified avionics architecture, a new cockpit with dual SMD, solid-state flight data recorder, and solid-state video recording system along with autopilot mode. Not only that, these Jaguar fighters will also be integrated with a new multimode radar. The Darin 3 upgrade will cause additional weight problems due to addition of new avionics and radar, so a new engine upgrade would obviously help these fighters to perform well. Due to the underpowered Rolls-Royce Adore engines, the aircraft is unable to perform at optimal operation levels in hot, humid conditions of India, and the aircraft is also facing spare issues. As per the recent update, looks like the new engine options from both Rolls-Royce and Honeywell are not going to work out. The only possibility which is considered is to refurbish the old Adore 804 and Adore 811 engines with Adore 871 parts. This is still under discussion and not yet decided yet, but even according to me, Indian Air Force should consider refurbishing the old Adore engine since it's significantly cheaper than going for a new engine from a new vendor. So let's wait and watch what happens with the Jaguar fleet of Indian Air Force. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.